How to use voice scan in Snapchat. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now, for those of you that don't know what voice scan is, it's a Snapchat feature that allows you to search for lenses using only your voice, and it works like this. Go ahead and open up Snapchat, and once you do that, you want to scroll the lenses menu all the way to the end till you reach the explore lenses page, this one right here. Once you're there, click on explore and you will be redirected to this page right here, in which you will see there's a search bar at the top of the screen with a microphone icon on it at the top left. So essentially what you need to do is you need to just click on that microphone icon to activate the search, the voice search or the voice scan feature, and you can ask Snapchat for any lenses and it will give you all of the lenses related to the search that you made. It works like this. Click on that icon. Give me a crown. And as you can see, it will give you all of the lenses that are related to the search that you have made. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can use the Snapchat voice scan screen. If you have any if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.